Mabini, Pangasinan. Bago tayo mag-umpisa, shoutout nga pala kay Kim Sapla at from Lingayen, Pangasinan, at kay Cedric Orhalo from Lingayen, Pangasinan din. Shoutout sa inyo dyan, guys. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo, guys? Tara na liputin ang Mabini, Pangasinan. Tara!
All around the world. Yeah. Come on. Attention, this is my boarding call. Bags up there against the wall. Step on the flight, be there by the night. Get ready, cause man, we taking off. No doubt, this world is mine. By myself when I lose track of time. No, I'm not new with that. Got my crew in the back, I feel alright.
Take me to my city. Look at the weather, it's so pretty. No need to be quiet, I'm making this live, so won't you rock with me? Just step up to the London town.
What?
Look at me now, I shut it down. Gonna make this world my own, won't stop, next stop, take this party to roll.
1,000 miles away. We don't care what the people say.
We don't care.
Cause love will lead the way.
Let it out, let it out.
Tonight we'll celebrate.
Come on, let's go. Step in the scene, life is a journey, yeah, this is my dream. Doing it for UK, LA, Miami, straight to the Philippines. Every city is a dance floor, traveling the world like we on tour. That's right, I do it for Be More. My hometown, it's all yours.
We're 1,000 miles away. We don't care what the people say.
We don't care.
Cause love will lead the way.
That's right.
Tonight we'll celebrate.
Hope my passport doesn't expire. International down to the wire. All this love got me on fire. Living my dreams past my desire. Let's go.